Active physics is quite an interesting approach. I've never seen anything quite like it. The thing about that particular book that I find interesting is that it touches not only on the logical approach to learning, but also a visual approach. And it does encompass a lot of the hands-on stuff. So while you've got the project-based learning in there, you also have the traditional questions thrown in there, but you also have the group work and hands-on stuff. So everyone can learn from a different approach and it all works.
Active physics, I think it's a really good course. I really enjoy it because they incorporate math in there too, which I love math. And but in the book, all our projects, all our activities, the mini challenges, they all come from the book, which is really good. I feel like we learn more when we do group work because like the teachers help us, but then we as a team, a group, we ask questions, we think about the problems, what we have to solve and what we need to do. And we learn better like that. I think we learn better like that.
Like if it's standing straight like this, and you move further back enough, you can see your whole body. Once you tilt it, you can only see your shoes because the light.
If this is like far enough, you will be able to see.
But it's just you'd be really small.
Yeah. Active physics brings out a lot of projects. I really like the projects. It helps me work into groups. When I first came, I wasn't really great at working into groups. I was always that one to be like, oh, can I work by myself? But this year, groups is just so much better.
Where does the light have to go for you to see something?
Your eyes.
It has to go to your eyes, right?
Yeah.
So right now, the light from overhead is coming down, hitting you, going where?
Here.
To the mirror and reflecting back to your eyes, right?
Yeah.
And that's how you're able to see.
I feel that I learn much better in a social situation. Therefore, I can talk out my ideas and talk out what I want to do. So it's not just me guessing, saying, oh, I hope this is right. It's actually better to talk it out with one of your friends and ask if it's a good idea and ask what else they can do.
The physics is very good, the class. We do everything, like almost every week we do at least 3 labs, which is really nice because then it actually helps us and see like for force, we did like marbles rolling and we had to calculate the force on each like hill. It would go through hills. So that helped a lot in actually visually seeing how it would happen in real life on like roller coasters.
So it's
like project-based concepts, like if you get projects from every class, it's much easier to understand. For example, in physics, we're doing a reflective light. Instead of just learning about it and reading a book and then doing homework, we're actually doing many projects, many lab activities every single day. So that gets us the idea and the feel for the concept to get us a better understanding.
It's going to give you your image. So the thing is, make sure you guys are keeping this right here and you rotate it from there, okay?
I think physics class, it's different from all of the other STEM classes because most of the time we are doing labs. Almost every day we're doing labs, and the other classes we learn more like taking notes, and it's just different in physics because we test everything out and we have data tables and we're always making graphs from the labs that we've had done, and it's just fun, I guess.